So listen close to the ghetto song, a symphony of hope where love is strong. Birds sing in the ghetto too, reminding us beauty's everywhere, talent shines through. God's gifts aren't bound by zip codes, it's true. Birds sing in the ghetto too, their voices rise, their spirits renew. Beauty's everywhere, talent shines through. God's gifts aren't bound by zip codes, it's true. It's true. In concrete jungles where streets are tough, birds still sing sweet melodies enough. They don't know they're in the hood, no boundaries seen. Their song is pure, their beauty's serene. In concrete jungles, faces worn, world's expectations weigh them down forlorn. But they rise above with hearts aflame, their resilience a beacon in the pain. Birds sing in the ghetto too, their voices rise, their spirits renew. Beauty's everywhere, talent shines through. God's gifts aren't bound by zip codes, it's true. Systems designed to hold them down, but they won't stop. They'll turn it around. With every fall, they rise again. Their resilience, a beacon in the pain. Invisible, no more their stories told. Their dreams, their hopes, their hearts of gold. From streets to stages, their voices ring, their beauty